Times Now. Action begins here.
Times Now campaign to end VVIP Raj and the first victory for you. We first told you about the special privilege at the railway station in Chandigarh, a special lane for VVIPs where they zoom past while you are left battling with the traffic jams, hoping that you didn't miss your train. But the government has been now forced to take action, now opening up and quote-unquote only for VVIPs lane for the normal public. Let's take a look at what the situation was so recently like for the residents of Chandigarh, which has changed now after our campaign.
This is nothing short of apartheid. Discrimination between the VIPs and the rest of us. Outside the newly renovated Chandigarh railway station, there are two different lanes for the VVIPs and the Aam Aadmi.
The division between a VVIP and a common man can be seen on this road which is leading to the Chandigarh railway station. Now on one hand you see that the road is totally choked. There's a lot of traffic on this road, but on the other hand which is for the VVIPs is totally empty.
The local authorities are giving a bizarre security reason.
देशद्रोही आदमी हैं या आतंकवादी टाइप के हैं, वो उनसे बचाने के लिए हमने ये किया कि इस साइड में स्टेशन जो बिल्डिंग है इसके नज़दीक कोई अननोन व्हीकल ना आ सके.
As the VVIPs, barely ever seen on this road, enjoy the special treatment, the rest of the city is left to battle the traffic.
It is unnecessarily blocking the traffic and putting the jam on.
So this is wrong.
It is very wrong.
नहीं होने चाहिए, ये पब्लिक के लिए परेशानी के कारण है.
I think it's a waste. I mean, you know, from our salaries we pay taxes जिससे ये बना है. So they didn't pay any special tax कि उनको वहाँ पे जाने देना चाहिए.
Lal Batti politicians demanding special queues at airports, rail stations and toll plazas, even driving straight onto the tarmac at the airports. It is time to raise our voice. Why should VVIP Raj continue at your expense? Isn't it time the VVIP road opens up to the Aam Aadmi? Join the Times Now campaign, end the VVIP Raj. With Vishal in Chandigarh, Tanvi Shukla for Times Now.